Hey Susquehanna Valley friends, Kurt Johnston here with your March happenings across York and Lancaster counties. Links to each event are in the description below. And if this helps, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more local updates. Alright, let's jump in. First up in York County, the York JCC Purim Carnival on Sunday, March 1st from noon to 3 p.m. It's family friendly, costume friendly, and it's a great way to spend a Sunday afternoon. Next, a quick First Friday double feature on Friday, March 6th. In Lancaster County, the Lancaster Science Factory has free admission, early evening, perfect for families. And in York County, the History Center has a free trivia and tacos night. In Lancaster County, Charter Day at Landis Valley Village and Farm Museum is Sunday, March 8th, 12 to 4. And it's free admission. Expect living history, demonstrations, and hands-on fun. Great if you're looking for something different. Now for a big March classic, the York St. Patrick's Day Parade in downtown York, Saturday, March 14th, with a 1 p.m. step-off. Grab a spot early, bring a chair, and make a day of it downtown. If you've got anime, gaming, sci-fi, or cosplay fans in the house, Zenkaikon is March 20th through 22nd at the Lancaster County Convention Center. It's a full weekend with panels, vendors, and a great downtown Lancaster vibe. And here's a nearby add-on. The Lancaster Lebanon Quilt Show runs March 25th through 28th at the Lebanon Expo Center. Even if you're not a quilter, it's fun to browse beautiful work, raffles, and vendors. For the little ones, Peppa Pig, My First Concert, is Friday, March 27th with a 2 p.m. sensory-friendly show and a 6 p.m. evening show at the Pulo Center in York. This one's a great first live performance kind of outing. Now for a quick car corner, March is pretty quiet for local car events, so this month we're doing something different. We're including a link to carcruisefinder.com and the South Central PA car show calendar so you can bookmark it and watch for the first big spring car shows and cruise-ins that start in April. So that's your March Susquehanna Valley happenings, York and Lancaster County favorites, plus a couple great add-ons. Links to each event are in the description below. And if this helped, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more local updates. I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. Thanks for watching. See you next month.
For all of your Susquehanna Valley real estate needs, contact Susan and Kurt Johnston at Iron Valley Real Estate of York County.